Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install a new language. You can add new language on Windows 11. So by default, Windows will use an English from United States as a language on your systems. And if you're from foreigners, if you're from Asia, Arab, and Japan, China, you can add a language in order to adapt with your country. So you can click start, then click settings. So next you can try to click on time and language. Here there are four options. You can click language and region. Windows display language, preferred languages, and regional formats. Here, in order to add new language, you can click on add a language on second option, preferred languages. Microsoft Store apps will appear in the first supported languages in this list. Click add language. Here you can choose the language to install, from African and till the Yoruba, Vietnam or Vietnamese, a Valencian, and so on. And here, for example, let's try to add a Japan, maybe this one, Japanese. You can click next and you can install. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click next button below. See you in the next video.